Hello, I'm Truman Beaver. Today I'm coming to you with a solution to a little bit of a problem. Anyone that has one of these roll-up doors, as you see here, knows that the top has this horrible gap in it. Well, today I'm going to show you a cheap, simple solution to fix that problem. Now, granted, this is not a perfect solution, but it does the job. Now, what I've done is just taken some 1x4 with the door up and gapped it out as tight as I could against the door. Then I used a little of this foam insulation that I had left over from a flooring job in the house, and I stapled it on. It's slick and it holds on, and when you roll the door up or down, it doesn't catch. So there's a good, easy, and cheap fix for a very common problem. I'm Truman Beaver. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you or you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And don't forget to grab one of my great hit novels that helped sponsor these awesome videos. Have a great one.